Okay, a relation is a set or... Hello everyone, I'm Sir Jess and welcome to General Mathematics class. Okay, a relation is a set or... Make sure to write down... Our lesson is all about functions in the real world. First, make sure to write down... Okay, correct. But how do we know that a relation is a function? That means each in this lesson, you are able what if we have a Next, what if we have a mapping diagram? Mali pala, table pa pala. How do you know? Yes, a relation. Sure to write down notes. Again? Balik na naman. First, in an ordered pair, write down notes. Our lesson is first, as you can see in this graph, the vertical line intersects it one. We can able to determine now what do we how do we next make sure to write Hello everyone, I'm Sir Jess and welcome to General Mathematics class. During the class, I want you to do the following things. First, you need to watch and listen attentively. Then, you have to write down important notes. And finally, you have to participate actively. Is that clear? Okay, then let's begin. Our lesson is functions in the real world. At the end of the lesson, you're expected to be able to represent functions in the real-life situations. But before that, let us have a quick review on relation and function. Do you remember what relation and function are? Okay, a relation is a set or collection of ordered pairs. A function is a relation. But how do we know that a relation is a function? It's very easy. Just remember the word fun in function because math is fun. So, fun stands for first and unique. Again, fun means first and unique. In an ordered pair, x, y, the first element x must be unique for it to become a function. Again, the x value must not repeat. If it repeats, then it is not a function, it is a relation. Let us try some examples. What do you think is the answer? Is it function or relation? Correct, that is a function. How do you know? Yes, because the first elements are all unique. We have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next, how about this one? Just remember the word fun. Okay, that is relation. How do you know? Yes, exactly. Because as you can see, the x value 0 repeats. Now, what if we have a table of values? What do you think is the answer? Is it a function or relation? Correct, that is a function. It's because, as you can see, the x values are all unique. Next, how about this one? Correct, that is a relation. How do you know? Yes, because as you can see, the x value 1 repeats. Next, what if we have a mapping diagram? What do you think is the answer? Correct, that is a function. How do you know? Because as you can see, we have a one-to-one correspondence. That means that each value in x corresponds to only one value in y. Okay, got it? Okay, next, let us have this one. What do you think is the answer? Correct, that is a relation. How do you know? First, it is not a one-to-one correspondence. And second, as you can see, the x value -3 corresponds to 7 and 8 in y. Okay, let us have this graph. What do you think is the answer? Correct, that is a function. How do you know? Yes, because using the vertical line test, we can determine if it is a function. If the vertical line intersects the graph at only one point, it is a function. But if it intersects the graph at 2 or more points, it is not a function. It is a relation. Okay, let's try this one. Function or relation? Correct, this is a relation. How do you know? Exactly, because as you can see, the vertical line intersects the graph at 2 points. Okay? So see, it's very easy. Just remember the word fun in determining function. Okay? Because fun is first and unique, and mathematics is